Hey, this is Arlene. So it is November the 1st, 2020. This worked, and then somebody did something to my chargers because it will not work at all out on the other outlet. So that tells me somebody did something to it. So the light is on, but when I play it, oopsie. When I plug it in, nothing. It doesn't charge. And if I try the other side, still not charging. So somebody either did something to this or to the charger or the other end of the cord. So all I did was get off the. So when I left my apartment, I only came and then I was over here. Not very many people would have come except the man that I think is below me in the third floor. He came up and he peeked out the window. And that is it. I didn't see anybody else. So it would have been somebody in this vicinity here that would have done it. So anyways, I just wanted to do a video on that really quick.